Hello everyone, I'm Marwan and this is
and ready, are you going to show?
Yes, today we're going to go on a treasure hunt! Here are some clues that I made earlier. I'm sure you can recognize these from all around the house. The next thing to do is to place the clues all around the house. Come with me. And there we have it. Zack, do you know what time it is?
Treasure time!
Here's your first clue.
A TV!
Okay, where do you need to go next?
Cactus!
And what's your next clue?
Flower!
And where do we need to go next?
To a flower. Fridge!
You found your treasure! Congratulations!
Open it up.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you have as much fun on your treasure hunt as we did on ours.